As I was scrolling on YouTube, I found this very satisfying video, and this channel is definitely nailing it with only 46 videos, but with over 1 million subscribers. He also started just a few months ago, and according to Social Blade, this channel is making a lot of money, and his videos are viral with millions of views each, which is just amazing. So if you start making the same videos, chances are high that your videos will also go viral. So I did my research, and I'll show you how to create the same videos using only your mobile phone, like this. Here's what you need to create these videos. The game application, phone screen recorder. For iOS, they have it built in, but for Android users, you might need to install an app, copyright-free music, and a video editing tool. First, download the app called Beat Bounce, which is available for free on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, you can see different game levels with various music tracks. Before you can create your own video, make customizations, you have to complete at least one level to unlock the editor. Just play any of these, and once completed, tap User Levels at the bottom. You have two options for creating your video. You can either choose from these pre-made music tracks, or you can upload your own music, and I'll show you how to do both. For the first option, choose from any of these music, then tap the record mode to turn it on. Then tap this button. You have the option to record it using the game app, but I suggest using your phone's recorder instead to make it your own. If you prefer to remove the application logo from your recording, you can pay for a pro subscription. But if you just want the free plan, don't worry, as I will show you later how to remove it. Now click record. You don't need to play or do anything while recording, as it will play automatically. It may also show laggy while recording, but the output will be fine. The recording will be saved to your phone once done. Now the second way is to record using your own music so you can avoid any copyright issues. And I highly recommend using Fan and I's on music notes. To upload your music, tap on Level Editor. Since the music file is in MP3 format and the app will only accept a MIDI file, we will need to convert it first. From your phone's browser, search for MP3 to MIDI file converter. I'll use this one for this example. Tap on Choose File, upload the music, then click Convert, and download once done. Now tap on Create New and import your MIDI file, then click Next. Choose the difficulty level, then add the artist name and click Next. Here you can choose the instrument you want to use. I'll choose this one for this example, then click Preview and tap Save. Then tap OK. Here, you need to guide the ball until the end of the music by pressing either the next frame or the next object. If you encounter a part where the ball gets stuck, tap on Previous Frame. Once it turns black, tap on Clear Frames to remove that object. Use the Preview function so you know where the ball will land next. Then use the circle guide to rotate the object's position so that the ball can freely move to the next object. Continue pressing the next frame or next object until it's 100% complete. You can make customization by pressing these options. Choose the wall, ball design, lighting, and the particle effects. You can also add text to put watermark on your work. Then tap Publish. Now we're ready to record our own work. Here you will see all your creations. Click play, then turn on the recording mode. You don't need to play the game, as it will automatically record. Once done, it will be saved to your phone. We're almost done, and as I mentioned earlier, the recording will show a watermark, and I will teach you how to remove it using CapCut, which is a user-friendly tool and is available on all devices. Import the recording on CapCut. Place the timing bar where the watermark is no longer visible. Then select Split, then tap the first part, then Delete. This won't affect the video, as the music starts after it passes the watermark part. Now here's the outcome. Now this process is very simple, but don't expect that this will make you successful overnight. Remember that patience and consistency are still the key to success. Now watch the next video and learn how to make anime and Pixar videos with consistent characters.